I am absolutely convinced that there is insufficient appreciation of just how critical soil and soil health is. Soil has consistently been underestimated and undervalued. Soil, like air and water, is absolutely fundamental to sustaining life on Earth, and we need to protect, conserve and build the health of our soils. Our soils are very interesting because they're extremely old, they're fragile, they're weathered, and they have been affected particularly by the way in which we've farmed since introducing European farm systems to Australia, but they're also affected by our climate. And there's a whole range of problems. Bearing in mind that soils are the basis of food production and food security and human health, we have to address these problems. One of the things that Australia is very good at is land management, water management, soil management, because we're such a huge continent. We have had so many challenges and we have developed capability and capacity to address these challenges. This is knowledge and expertise that we can share and indeed are very keen to share with the rest of the world.
So ACIAR's role in international development is really bringing the expertise that's in Australia, the scientific expertise, to help with developing nations' agricultural systems. We commission our scientists here in Australia to come and work with our partners in the countries in which we work. And in salinity, we're working in Vietnam, Bangladesh, and we're working particularly in Pakistan. We have a big program of work looking at salinity in the Indus Basin, which is quite severe. The Australian expertise that we bring over to the countries in which we're working, where salinity is an increasing problem, help the farmers there produce food that is crucial to their livelihoods, but is also crucial to the food security of the countries in which we work.
The Pacific Soils Portal brings together soil information from the Pacific Islands that has been collected historically over the years, but also contains new soil information that we have acquired during our work in the Pacific, funded through ACIAR projects. And the importance of soil knowledge is that it can inform the sustainable use of our soil resources, and it can also help growers and farmers and also policymakers to make better and more informed decisions. So what we are doing is building a soil database or library of soil measurements in the traditional sense, but we're also using new sensing technology that reduce the cost of samples and also acquire results more rapidly. Initiatives that are telling farmers about their soil are ultimately improving the way we treat our soil resource, because we do want to keep it sustainable into the future. The farmers, or particularly policymakers, they can use that information to see what their soil is like. So what is the soil likely inherently able to produce? That then helps the farmers also with their livelihoods, because they are growing crops that are not only suited to their soils, but then also suited to the local market as well.
It is so important for us to ensure that soils are healthy, healthy soils, healthy people, healthy planet.